Right. So I'm showing you this house. Okay, let's dive in.
For those of my Igbo brothers, contemplating on investing in Lagos or Enugu, yeah, you know the right answer I'm going to give you. Enugu is still the best. No traffic, natural foods. You know, Enugu don't have that nightlife. But apart from the nightlife of Lagos, right, Lagos is boring, right? Very boring. So let's check out this three-bedroom affordable bungalow right here in Legacy Estate Enugu. This is the parlor. Yeah, you have the parlor and the dining area. This is actually half plot of land, are about 350 square meters. So this is the lobby, and this is the master's bedroom. Yeah, so investing in Enugu is not just a thing we need to do; is something we all need to come together and do. I know the profit in Lagos is you know times two of the profit you get here. But truth be told, if you don't develop your hometown, you will run to another person's hometown to live. So this property can generate 3 million annually if you want to put it up for rent. This is the second room. If you want to put it up for shortlets, service apartments and all that, it can generate up to 150,000 naira daily. So let's go to the last room. So this is the last room. Yeah, and mind you, we can help you run this business. Even though you're in the diaspora, we can help you run this business and give you your returns, right? But the point is that you're investing in your town. So if you're from Enugu and you're watching this video, kindly reach out to us. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and this is the little store we have here. Read the description below if you want to contact me so we can bring you here for viewing. Okay.
Just so you know, we are selling. We're already selling. This is Legacy Estates, one of the fastest growing estates, which started with 5 million, but now it's over 45 million naira. You can even get for 50 million naira now. So early investors are enjoying it.
So invest in Enugu now, you still have the opportunity.